Hi, my name is Ken Kelly. I'm the owner of November 78 Delta Sierra, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to this beautiful aircraft. Starting at the front, you can see this aircraft has always been hangared. I am the second owner, and I know the first owner fairly well, and he also kept it hangared the entire time. Right now, she's got about 760 hours. As you can see, she's in immaculate condition. Everything works. Fresh annual. And everything is looking great. Take a look inside the baggage compartment. This little shamrock is just a decal. It can be taken off. This is the Platinum Edition. It's a 2018 22 Turbo GTS, which means it has the upgraded trim package. It has other features such as the satellite weather, satellite phone, satellite texting. It also has the infrared camera system, which is great if you're trying to land in an airport that maybe doesn't have any information, or perhaps it's remote and you're wondering if there's any animals on the runway, or inclement weather, trying to see a little bit through some clouds and that kind of stuff. But there's the camera system. As you can see, very well maintained. 50 hours oil changes throughout its life, including waxing and washing inside and out each time. As you can see inside, we have the gray interior with the Alcantara top headliner. The seats are in great condition. I kept them conditioned. We always use the sunshades whenever we parked overnight. Additionally, this also has jet shades. You can see the decal here. These jet shades, if you haven't used them before, they're just like a flexible tint, like a plexiglass tint that goes in the front headliner here for sun protection. And in all of the other windows, you can see it even in the back window, we have it there as well. And what this does, especially being in Florida, for those who don't understand our sun, it's wonderful while you're flying or while it's parked, you still have the ability to keep the sun's rays out of the aircraft from damaging the dashboard. We don't have any issues with this aircraft because of how well it was maintained.